Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Market up or down? The market was down yesterday. Let's get into the brokerage. Let's get into it and let's get today started. It looks like already this morning we've sold FBIN here for 63.73. So let's update the spreadsheet. And I've got the brokerage pulled up on my phone as well. So we'll see what happened yesterday. We got a few additional sells and the market was down. So again, like I always say, the market does not have to go up for you to make money. And this is exactly how I do that. Okay, so we also sold American Eagle yesterday, 12.20 looks like the price. So not a huge gain, but that's sold for the price that we put it in, our normal 1%. And we also sold HPQ here. So let's go ahead and get that going. We'll double check apples to apples, see what stocks we have left, and move along with our trading plan. HPQ sold for $29.89. Should be a pretty good gainer. What? Oh, about what it's supposed to be. All right. We'll go ahead and update our profits here. $9.93 for the month. We're just getting started, one weekend, and we're over halfway to our goal for the month. So that's pretty awesome. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's another one that we have missed out on here. Let's take a look. Maybe I just counted wrong here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. T row. T row's not on here. So doing this night shift thing is a total pain in my rear end. I'm just trying to do what it takes here to get it going. Not sure if I can search. But I don't see T row on here. So did we cancel an order? And I'm not sure here on the mobile if it's going to show even a canceled buy order. I think these are only filled orders. I'm all the way to the beginning of February and I don't see it, so I'll just assume that we didn't get in. So sometimes I do forget to delete the stuff out of here. 227. on the date here. So we do have that information. Zero. And it did not fill. So I can verify that. Just forgot to take it out. All right. Okay. So the market's down. What's the next step of our trading plan? We're trying to do the reverse snowball from smallest to largest and put some money to work. So we have HPE and Murphy. We need to look at the screener. We have $562 to use. So let's do it. GH should be on. There's a lot more on the screener too. That's something you should be aware of. It doesn't change our plan, but it is an awareness piece. All right, so we're just trying to make sure it still fits the system. We got dividends, reasonable debt, low PEs, 1796. I don't care that the stock is down. That doesn't bother me in the slightest. Just following the plan. We don't have any day trades left. Uh-oh. So, only buy orders. Yeah. Get out of the way. Wow, look at this spread. Look at that spread. Again, only one share. Try to keep it to 1% of their total account. Always good till cancel with extended hours. I'm still going to throw it in at the closing print, but it should feel much lower. And it should fill pretty immediately. Rejected my order. That's cute. All right, I guess let's just let it rip. $14.99. We'll take it. $2 less. All right, $14.99. What a bargain. What a bargain. And we'll take just a little time here. You can see average here, $18.84, same exact price. But when we add just this one share, average goes all the way down to $17.56. And that is the power of math against the market if you have courage. There's Murphy. We're just going down our list. Reverse snowball here. And it should be nice and quick. I'm going to try to enjoy the market a little bit before I crash out. It was a 90-hour work week. I'm wiped. Dividend, low debt, 24.16. Through the down move of the markets, you see we pulled significant profits out. Should feel really good about that if you did the same. And it gives us all this money again as the market continues to slide. We continue to get more value and that's the whole name of the game. Had a few people reaching out, and it's a little intimidating at first, but for trading, but it truly is, in my opinion, it's the only freaking way. The average people can get it done. They just don't have enough money. And BFH. But trading can definitely speed things up. And hopefully I'll stick around long enough to see that grow from just $10 a week here on this public account. Where I'm not trying to be your financial advisor or tell you what to do, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing. You know, eating my cooking here. It's not a mukbang or whatever they call them, but just showing you that real folks, average people, just slaughter the markets. That's what we do. We got dividends. Debt is high, but it's under our limit of 4. Low PEs, 49.34. Yeah, it's always a little weird talking to people about stocks because their expectations are so wild. But I'm excited to do some of that. Just one share. We have plenty of money, but there is so much on that list. We're going to see a lot of activity, and I'm excited to see some of the market today. I haven't looked at the weekly. Maybe we'll do that at the end. NE and NOG. Also proof you don't need fancy equipment. This thing is barely loading a web page. NOG is not on here, but NE is. So let's take a look. A little Noble. Dividends, low debt, nice PEs, 23 flat for Noble. This thing has really slid from almost 29, so it's a pretty big move down. That does not deter me. Just follow my system. It's a rules-based approach, and takes the emotions out of it. All right, NE. Remember, if these buy orders fill today in the morning before the market again, I can put these orders in and bypass the PDT in a certain way because if the market shoots up today, likely I can get out in the pre-market tomorrow. It's kind of the idea. 23 flat. Just one share, keeping it nice and small. 1% of the total account. And we'll keep it moving. We got Shoe and KTB. There's Shoe. Dividends, low debt, nice PEs, 29.43. This one has had quite a big move down too. So you can see it's not all just buy and sell, buy and sell. Some of these go crazy. Something filled. We will catch that up at the end of the video here. But that's exactly what we want to happen. All the buy orders to fill up and then have a potential to get out. BFH 4934. Check. Just whenever you can get the time to look at the market, you need to do it every day if you're going to be serious about it. But you can see here the market's getting ready to open, but I'm still using yesterday's closing prints just as I would had I got off work at a normal 5 o'clock in the afternoon job, come home, had dinner with the family, and then started looking at stocks. Uh, the fills and the results are different, but I don't have a choice. The only choice I got is to not give up. So we're definitely not giving up. We need KTB and Civi. KTB, little contour. We'll be looking all fly. Dividends, dead under 4. Reasonable PEs. 61.17. We had something else, Phil. The computer really is struggling today. Appreciate y'all's patience. If you're still here, make sure you hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe and make sure you share this with your friends. They need to know. People say they don't know. Nobody ever told them. That's only partially true. Everybody knows you can get rich in stocks. So don't let them BS you. 29.41 for shoe. We got 2 pennies to the good here. I'll take it. We shall take it. Starting to get some pretty decent sized positions as well. Remember what the next part of the trading plan is. Do you have a trading plan? Is it written down? Should have a trading plan. Your own trading plan. Here we are, just grinding it away till all the money's gone. I'm not saving any. There's an instant fill. That's good. Next one on the list was Civi, I believe. Let's check and see if we got some of that on our list. But yeah, we're just chilling, putting the money in. And you can see I'm able to use the same dollar multiple times because when it sells, the next day I got the money right back. Dividends, debt's reasonable, PEs are super low, 32.68. This one bombed. Wow. Alrighty. Limit order good till cancel with extended hours always. Alright, we got 327 left. Still have more on the list to go through. OMC and NUS. Oscar Mike Charlie. Not on here. And neither is NUS. So now the next thing to do is need to go through here and see if there are stocks in my universe. I still have money. So we'll just take a look. I'm pretty tired, so if I miss one, that would be a bummer, but that is understandable. Nothing on that page. American Express is in the Dow, I believe. P's are too high. Nice and easy there. Bank of America. Wow, we got financials in here now. Debt is very high, but it's within our limits of 4. Dividends, reasonable PEs. 41.46 BAC. I haven't traded this one, I don't think, in the public account. Well, we're happy to do it. Make some money on a bank to put in the bank. 41.20. Am I looking at the wrong stuff? We got 41.46 is the close. Market's not open yet. This is a real funky fill too here. Limit, good till cancel, extended hours. Hopefully it won't reject me here. Let's see what happens. It should fill automatically. $41.09 is the fill. And I know people will always question why I put the closing print in. But I would rather have the fill, even if I could have potentially get it cheaper, than miss the day. How much money do we have here? 286. All right, we got Bank of America. City's not really in my thing. All right, let's check out sheet 3 here. State Street's a good one, but it is not in my list. T Rowe is. And Target. Little Target. Dividends, debt is high but under our limits. PEs look good. 114 and a nickel for Target. So these are the highest quality. I've done some base research. I don't go too in depth on it, to be totally honest. I don't think there's value in it. If you do, by all means, you do you. But most people are trying to figure out the markets in such a way that they can take a small amount of money and turn it into a very large amount of money very quickly. And that's not really what I'm doing. It does grow very fast, but it's not definitely not a get rich quick, or else it already would have happened. $113.99 on the fill. We shouldn't have any problem getting all the money in. There's a lot on the list. So $172 to go. Maybe we finally get this T-Row, get our revenge, sweet revenge. Then after that, I'm just going to go alphabetically. Okay, we have dividends, low PEs, almost no debt. Perfect. This is perfect. 98.89 is the print up here. Yep. Don't get FOMO about not being able to buy every stock on the screener either. Uh, even with a large amount of money, you're still going to run out of money. And that's why the cash flow is so important. $98.89. That'll get us close here. Limit order good till cancel extended hours. $98.83. I love it. All right. We have $73 left. Let's go to the beginning and just start grinding away. Oh, we don't have enough for this one, 134. BKU. Dividends. Debt is high, but it's under our limits. PEs look good. 33.85 BKU. You could go through there and try to maximize getting every penny in there and all that if you want. By all means, go ahead. I got other stuff to take care of today, so I'd like to get some of it done before the market opens. Look at that spread. Good luck there. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. Okay, should have, yeah, $39. We found some good value. Should feel pretty good about that. And if I had a computer that worked, this wouldn't take nearly as long, but here we are. There's Citi. We don't have enough for that. We only have $39. Got that. Cinemark. Must be movies, huh? Look at this dividend. I do not like this. It's under 1%. I do not like that. No, thank you. Take that. Good luck to you. Columbia Banking. Dividends. Debt is high but reasonable. We got awesome PEs. 24.97 for cold. Getting deja vu from the Silicon Valley Bank days, where a lot of these small regional banks were hit the screener. I affectionately call them crap banks. That's kind of what they are. Very high risk, but they move. Limit order good till cancel extended hours. Again, you can see here I'm not trying to maximize every penny. I'm just going through the list. I think if you spend too much, there we go, good fill. I got 1486. So spend too much time trying to get it just right. You won't be able to go produce, which is what you should be doing. Out in the world producing, get more money, yada yada yada. Price, we only have 14 bucks. So I'm just looking over here at the price column. Let's see if we can get anything. 15 there. There's a 12er. Oil and gas. Dividends here. It's a big spread, but there's reasonable dividends. Almost no debt. Nice PEs. 1244 on PR. That should do it. What a video, huh? What a video. Pretty awesome. We've got an account. It's not big, but it's big enough to really show you folks kind of how I do the markets. I do other strategies as well in other accounts, but this is the bulk of what I do. So, again, I'm not a licensed advisor. This is not meant to be financial advice or anything like that, but this is how I do it. So you can see somebody real tearing it up. A little bit of awareness, entertainment. That's the purpose of it. Not to tell you exactly what to trade. Don't follow me. 1244. All right. $2 left. We'll submit there. So nice big day. A lot of activity. Curious to see what happens during the trading day today. And we'll be working our way towards the new milestones in the account. So I hope y'all are doing good. Leave me a like on your way out. And thank you for watching. We'll try it again this afternoon. Have a great day.